Hey, what's up? Welcome back. In this episode, you're going to see how to add Gravatar to Rails, but really you're going to watch GitHub Copilot write most of it because GitHub Copilot is going to know enough of how to implement Gravatar with Ruby on Rails that it's going to be pretty easy. So in the top right, we see this demo face. This is in all the Tailwind UI demos. So what we're going to do is open up, so this is actually, we're going to open up application helper. And we're going to add a new method here called Gravatar and then even look at this. Okay. So this is it. So we want to do the MD5 hex digest of some user's email.downcase. Let's make this the current user, and then we'll remove the user from the arguments here. And then instead of passing in any options, we'll actually just make this Gravatar. We'll just call this Gravatar. Gravatar URL. Okay, so we're going to return just the Gravatar URL, and we don't actually need a size. And this is going to be it. This is all that we need. So now that we have this Gravatar URL, we can go over to our application HTML ERB, find that image tag where we have the person's face, and we're going to replace the source with Gravatar URL. And now if we come back over here and hit refresh, we now have a Gravatar URL. Now this is showing like this because this user is the test user. Now obviously we're going to need to make sure that that Gravatar URL method is not called anywhere where we don't have a current user logged in, but that is really all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.